Good morning, students. Till now, you have learned the ancient way of water harvesting system of people of Rajasthan. But do you know that most of these wells or sars of Rajasthan have got dried up now? For example, Samba Salt Lake, Sar of Alwar district of Rajasthan, and many other sars in Rajasthan. The reason behind is many. Like many new buildings and colonies have been built in between these lakes. Now the rainwater cannot be collected in these lakes. It just flows away and is all wasted. So there is water shortage and people are suffering. Also, the soil around the trees and parks is now covered with cement. Water is being pumped out from the ground using electric motors. Also, dumping garbage in dried wells. As per the report of one of the journals, a majority of Ratlam's heritage structures, step wells or bowries in Rajasthan, have now become dump yards. Even though if renovated, they can meet 40 to 45% of cities' water requirements. Are the people today not wise like the people of past? All they have to do is collect water when it rains and use it later on. Because rain is the main source of water on earth. Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. Nowadays, people get water from various sources like water in tanks supplied by Jal Board, from hand pumps, digging up the bore well, water from nearby water plant, canals, step wells. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remembered the old and forgotten step well, Bauli. They cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well. After a few years, it rained well, and again the step well was forgotten. But there is seemed to be some unequal distribution of water in different areas. For example, some have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker of Jal Board. People at times have fights over water. In some areas, a particular caste of people are not allowed to collect water from the well. Some people fill the supply water in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. In some places, borewell is there to pump the water out, but no electricity. In some places where the water is salty and unable to use, then the people are seen to buy water. What is your reaction? By looking at this picture. As per a report of India Today magazine, a 6-year-old boy named Kalu drinks water from the almost dry Ken riverbed in Banda, UP. Such a pathetic condition. Rajasthani women going to fetch water. Even sometimes they have to cover miles of distance to collect water. It seems as if World War III will be fought over water only. Around 40% of Indians will have no access to drinking water by 2030. Nothing can be more important than water right now and to save it. Water is for everyone. Thank you.